Most YouTube creators over 40 don't know their videos are being watched on mute. Without captions, you're invisible. Studies show that up to 85% of social video is watched without sound. No captions means no message. Your story just disappears. I hit 40 a few years ago and thought I was doing everything right. Good lighting, solid content, decent editing. But I wasn't captioning my videos properly, and it was costing me viewers every single day. BIGVU's AI subtitle generator fixed that fast. One click and the AI transcribes your entire video, generates synced captions, and lets you style them to match your brand. No outsourcing, no freelancers, no waiting. The whole process takes minutes, not hours. It supports over 70 languages too, which means your content doesn't stop at your borders. More reach, more watch time, more people actually hearing what you have to say, even when the volume is off. You've put too much work into your videos to let bad captions hold you back. Head to BIGVU and make every word count.